Well, hello, everyone. This is Amber Town-Gian, your Terrific Tuesday $1 Million Messenger, calling you from the greater Phoenix area. And I'm excited to connect with you today, and I hope that you're having the most amazing Tuesday so far, no matter where you're listening from and what time you're listening. Well, I want to share with you a simple philosophy that I adopted a long time ago. And hopefully it blesses you. Hopefully it challenges you to go a little bit further. But it is the philosophy of one more. And it's a very simple philosophy, but it's amazing what it can do in a year. I heard this mentioned, and I thought, I really like that. I'm going to do that because I've never been a person that likes to stop where everyone else is. I've never been a person that likes to run at their pace. Even when I was young and in sports, played competitive college volleyball and fast pitch, all the things that I did, I always just went a little further. And I did one more. And I didn't have the philosophy then, but I do know that my ability to stick to something and give more effort, spend more time, or expect more absolutely was why I was where I was in sports and at that young age. And so the thought is one more. Is, let's say, I've heard a lot of people, they go through their rhyme or reason and they say they are going to make 10 booking phone calls a day. That's their goal. They're going to do 10 booking phone calls a day. Well, hear my heart. I think 10 booking phone calls is phenomenal if you're getting results. If you're not getting results, I don't think it's phenomenal. So I always look for 2 bookings. That's always been what I've worked on since I decided I was going to move into DIQ, is I needed 2 new bookings every single day and 2 new leads every single day, no matter how I got them, whether it was through facials, through referrals, through warm chattering, through a facial box. I had to get 2 new leads every single day. So it was 2 and 2. And I know that Gloria Mayfield Banks teaches something so much more aggressive, but this was what I could handle every single day, day in, day out, day over. I only missed one day in a 21-day period is what I allow myself. And so it was one more. So instead of just stopping at 2, if I had time, I would stretch for 3. One more. Why? Because nobody's going to make me do more in this business. But every single time I have time to do it and I do it, it will pay me for the rest of my life. So it became very worth it to me, valuable, a no-brainer kind of thing. Not just to stop at what I said, but go one more and start creating a habit of I do the and then some. I do the extra. You can count on me to do one more. And so in the philosophy of my days today, like just yesterday, still on my most important things to do today was 2 new bookings and 2 new leads. So I stopped at 3. And so I share this because so much can be gained. I use it in the gym when we have to do 10 reps of something like push-ups, whatever. I do one more. When we're on the treadmill, I go to Orange Theory, so that's kind of organized group training. And so when we're on the treadmill and we are in an all-out and it's 30-second all-out or a minute all-out, I don't hit the back to base. I don't hit my lower speed when she starts telling me at 3 seconds out that we're almost there. I hit it once she says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and get to your base pace. Then I hit it. I just go a little further. So what could change in your life if you stopped focusing on minimums and you think one more? When I was in DIQ, they had this thing called Fabulous 50s Elite, which I'm still lobbying with the company for them to bring it back. And it is when you didn't finish after being a unit to 50, you finished debuting as a unit with 50 unit members. And my goal was that so desperately bad because the only way to get my national sales director, Emily McLaughlin, to attend my meeting for my training or my unit debut from New Jersey to Seattle was to have 50 when I debuted. Well, I kept pushing, and I knew when it came down to the last day, I didn't see it coming together, but I pushed for one more. And we finished with 48. Am I so grateful I pushed for one more? Absolutely. So what could you do different in your life if you stopped working on minimums and start working on just one more? It's not a big effort, but consistency over time will yield you some great results. So hopefully this challenged you today to go just one more. One more phone call, one more booking, one more career share ask. Why not? You're worth it. Well, hopefully this is a blessing for you today. This is Amber Town-Guillen, your terrific Tuesday $1 Million Messenger, signing off. Have an amazing day.